So BSE Maritime, we're a family-owned company. Have two bases, one in Cairns, one in Brisbane. Brisbane shipyard's been around for about 18, 20 years. The Cairns shipyard's been around for around 30 years. Started out building Fremantle class boats, and we've evolved over the years. We've recently just gone in a fairly large undertaking where we've upgraded all the infrastructure. We put in the world's largest mobile boat hoist, so we can lift 1,120 tonne, which, as I said, is the largest in the world, which has given us a new opportunity and gives us a hell of a lot more access to different markets.
Okay, fantastic. Quick question, BSE, what does it stand for?
Brisbane Shipyard Engineering.
Okay, that'll surprise a few people.
It will.
When was
it surprised me.
When was the last time that was used? Okay. Quick one, in the defence space, what sort of programs or technologies are you working on right now?
So in the defence space, we're more into, as I said, shipbuilding, ship repair. So we're working with Defence and with the ABF in looking at how we can improve the efficiencies, use new technology such as a ship lift to bring boats in and out far quicker to get a greater turnaround. The biggest opportunities that we have is Defence is spending, Australian Government Defence is spending a large amount of money doing a upgrade of our ship capability. So that's bringing a lot more vessels into Cairns, and the future will bring even more vessels into Cairns, which will grow our economy and also help us grow the shipyard. Conversely, with that, we actually need to grow skills. So one of the hardest things that we're finding at the moment is getting skilled labour, trades labour, skilled engineers that are from the maritime industry and attracting those to Cairns. So part of our strategy in dealing with that is we've actually gone in and partnered with TAFE to develop programs specifically to allow us to grow our apprenticeship base and also reskill our existing staff into the more modern and efficient techniques of shipbuilding. So we partner extensively with all of the primes in different forms. So it can be a simple contract-based partner, it can be a joint venture, it can be an alliance-style partnership, or it can be a technology partnership where we actually sit down and have a look at what's required to repair the boat and then go through and do a specific program where we will, in essence, at times open up a yard to allow other people to come in and work there for the prime so they get the best result. And we also sit with that, we'll sit with the other SMEs and have a look at how we can best match the requirement from the Australian Navy or the Border Force and how we can bring other SMEs into a partnership arrangement so we can service the contract. So innovation, everyone thinks is brand new, but innovation is actually looking at something and applying it in a different way in a different field. So with our new mobile boat hoist, it's the largest boat hoist in the world. Generally speaking, the capacity's been around 600, 800 tonne. So we work with Chimolai, the Italian company who designed it for us, to come up with a design that would allow us to lift the boats that are currently based in Cairns, and then also think about how we can lift the boats into the future. So there was a lot of innovation around how the boat hoist has been designed, and also around how we can actually design the infrastructure that supports the boat hoist. Most people think of the boat hoist and the boat, but they don't realise that it's actually built on mud and air, and it requires a lot of engineering to actually get it to stay stable. Well, BSE came to PAC9, and we've been coming to the Pacific Forums for quite a number of years. We find it important so we can get the message out on our increasing capabilities that we have at any given time, and also to network around with all of the other suppliers so we can do partnerships and alliances that allow us to serve the contracts a lot better and in a more efficient way.